Oh my god!
Good old Joe.
I can't believe you just did that.
What happened to shorties?
I can't find pajama shorties. There.
Oh.
Brittany can't do the mission.
Are you slacking, Brittany?
Yep.
Oh, Mummy's winning. Mummy's winning on her second box.
Feeling a bit sick.
Still another box to go.
I don't want this box.
Then you don't win.
Come on!
Shut up!
Me and Tara are only doing 2 boxes.
No, you're not. This is it. This is all the boxes we got.
Really?
You're going to get leftovers, Reggie.
Yay!
Looks like Brittany's leftovers, not your mum's, because she ain't going to leave none.
Mum, please leave some so me and Tara can do the competition. Yay!
You'll beat me.
That box.
You'll beat me.
I doubt he would.
No, you got bigger. So, yeah.
You can only manage 4 on a good day. I'm proper sweating.
This box don't look like it's changing at all.
And it's not a good day
Don't think
today.
That's because you just put your slap on for the camera.
I need a drink now.
You're proper dying, Brittany.
Whitney's gonna leave the last box as well.
Yeah, there's no way I'm going to get through that box as well. How long have
Pardon
we got
me.
left? Oh.
6 minutes left.
7?
6. It's 14 minutes gone, Joe.
Yeah.
20
but we're
minutes.
going from her timer on there. You started that before that clicked over.
Oh.
No.
Did it at the same time.
Do it by that. My clock ain't. I don't think my clock's exactly right anyway.
You want to squeeze some more chicken nuggets in, didn't you?
Try to
I'm beating them boys. Otherwise it's all for nothing.
How many you got left?
6.
You need to hurry up
How
then.
much has Brittany got left?
You've got to do them 6 and then eat another 4 out of a box. Whoop.
No.
4?
To beat them. They did 43.
10 more.
Yep. In 5 minutes.
Oh, that's alright.
I've got 11 left in my box.
Well, I'm gonna beat Dion and now I'm gonna beat Mummy.
Dion?
Yeah.
Why Dion? He ain't done it.
Oh, Kieran. Who else done it?
You need to pick up the pace.
Marcus and Alfie.
I'm gonna beat them. Then I'm gonna fit in 3 boxes.
You need to hurry up.
You're not going to do it then.
Yes, he is. He's beating you.
Shut up.
You need to eat.
One every 30 seconds.
4 minutes.
That is a lot of ketchup.
That's a whole minute on one.
They were quick. We're never going to do it.
I didn't want to go.
Just keep
None of
talking.
mine do.
Come on.
Brittany failed.
I'm still going, I'm still going. There's no one going to beat them though.
Go over there.
can give you an idea.
My mouth's gone dry.
Good. Drink some of your drink then.
Really don't even taste like chicken.
They don't. I bet they ain't.
Me and Carl need to try one first.
We've eaten quite a bit of ketchup as well. I don't want to have another one.
Oh, then the other two books.
No, this is not good.
This is also a bad idea.
Okay, Mum, you fail.
Shut up,
It was
Reggie.
your idea, Brittany.
Oh.
Don't know why I go along with your silly bloody plans.
Oh, the rest of them were alright.
Especially the Christmas one where you had to
just
shove
can't
loads
be
of
sick.
loops in and cheese balls.
2 minutes.
Quick, you got to eat them last two. You got to do it. Do it.
2, and you need to get 4 more in there, Joe.
Just shove them all in.
No, this one ain't going down.
Swallow now.
Come,
Swallow.
come.
Go on, try and get them 2 in. At least you've done 2 boxes then.
Yeah, come on. You can do it, Mum. You can
They
do
are the
it.
masters.
They are. They were well good.
They were good. I don't know how they've done it. I think I'm going to die.
Why?
That's literally gone down. Tiny bit by tiny bit.
Ugh. This is horrible.
No idea. No idea.
Got a minute to go.
Come on, Mum.
You can make it. There's 8 more.
Fucking hell, Brit.
No,
Sorry.
it's no different.
You've given up.
I haven't, not yet.
How many you got left?
1.
1, and then there's 2 boxes down. Go on, put it in now. Put it in
Go.
now, and then you're done 2 boxes.
Really?
Yeah.
Go, go.
There you go, well done.
You've done 2
2
boxes.
boxes.
The last box
Brittany.
is mine.
How long's left?
15 seconds.
I'm not
How many,
really?
how many you got left?
Loads.
How many's in there?
2, 4, 6, 8.
8.
You ain't going to manage it, Brittany.
I know.
And if you fail, you have to stop. And then
32 and a half I've had.
Tara takes Brittany's and I take Mum's. And if I take Mum's and I beat against Tara, you, Mum,
Still chewing?
win
Reggie, shut up.
this. Oh. It's 20 minutes.
How long's left?
Right, you've done your challenge.
Oh.
32 and a half
Nuggets
to
down.
Brittany.
Nuggets down.
40 to Joe. Well done.
I'm going to throw up now.
Don't.
Here's your tea, Reggie.
This isn't my